Roll the clip.
No, man, this young lady that I'm about to bring to the table today, she's so powerful in everything that she do.
But bitch, you making posts, you doing the most. You will never get your money back, bitch. I don't give a fuck. If you want to try to talk to me, if you want to try to get on the right motherfucking side, then you might. But if you if you got anything to do with any negativity spraying my name, I can promise you this. I can promise you, because they got me fucked up, and I will be on.
Into what was advertised as a short-term investment opportunity. Contracts show they paid a one-time administrative and setup fee of $7,000 to Janay White for a turnkey Airbnb property. Monthly rent and other fees would be deducted from their profits. Both tell me they were promised profits of $1,000 or more each month for each Airbnb unit they invested in.
How many units total did you invest in, and how much money total?
8 units total, $56,000.
And how much money were you hoping to profit off of that investment?
Somewhere around doubling my money.
How many did you secure?
I was able to secure about 3 properties. However, none of the properties were actually existent to in my opinion.
Romano and Wilson both say they received monthly profit and loss statements.
Did it in a way to defraud you. That's not right.
Everything that she touches.
She's delusional. It's too much of a paper trail to deny it at this point.
And she's highly respected in the city.
Contracts show the Wrights paid almost $15,000 to Janay White this summer. In 6 months, receipts show they only received about $1,200 in profits.
First and foremost, we just want the world to know, what is it that you do?
What do I do? Right now I'm doing anything and everything that I want to do.
And now,
What's going on, my good people? Welcome back to Roller Clip TV. As always, I am your host, Roberto. Mrs. White is in Jacksonville, Florida, scamming people on an Airbnb scam. This scam actually was exposed a couple of weeks ago. I just saw it yesterday, so I wanted to bring it to Roller Clip TV. It seems like the pendulum is swinging, because back in my day when I was growing up, we heard of Bernie Madoff. He was scamming people. We heard of all these Caucasian guys scamming people down in Florida. But the pendulum is now swung all the way to the other end of the spectrum, and we have African American women who are jumping in this scam game. I don't know, people, why we're falling for this. Y'all saw the video I did a couple weeks ago on the lady doing the trucker scam, sticking the middle finger up. Y'all saw the video I did about the mayor down there in Dalton, Illinois, walking around the city hall office talking about am I my brother's keeper? She thinks she's Nino Brown in office. And now we have Mrs. White down in Jacksonville, Florida, doing an Airbnb scam and people dropping serious money. Can I tell y'all something? Have we not learned anything, my people? If somebody, listen, Warren Buffett is probably the greatest investor known to mankind in our century. And Warren Buffett will go tell you, if you're going to invest any money in the stock market, in the NASDAQ, why don't you invest your little coins in it? Don't look at it for about 10 years, y'all. Don't even expect any kind of return within 10 years. And Warren Buffett will also tell you, if you're going to invest any kind of money in the stock market, you got to do what the stock market calls a slow drip. That every single month you got to be dripping some money in, and don't expect a return in a year, in 2 years, in 3 years, in 4 years. He said, don't even look at it for 10 to 15 years, y'all. 20 years, y'all. So if Mr. Warren Buffett is telling us this, what makes us think that Miss White in Jacksonville, Florida, got the hustle on the Airbnb, and she gonna be able to flip this, y'all, and give us our money back in 60 to 30 days and double that? That is what I call the American scam, and y'all will know on this channel. I like to learn about scams because it keeps my money safe. First of all, I'm not a fool. I ain't gonna fall for nobody telling me they can give me double my money. Listen, because I think I'm a little intelligent. My brothers and sisters, don't you think you're a little intelligent? Don't you think that you're intelligent enough to know that nobody can give you that kind of money back that fast? Mr. Caesar Pena with the DJ Envy scam was promising people over here, down there in New York and New Jersey, the same damn thing. And guess what? Everybody got. As a matter of fact, it made DJ Envy change his tune. At one point, DJ Envy was saying that he was a partner with Mr. Pena, and all of a sudden he's a victim. He's a damn victim. All I'm saying, people, is that we got to watch our money. And if it's too good to be true, then it is. Everything that glitters is not gold. Y'all got to watch out for scams like this. So what's my takeaway? Because I'm not trying to spend some new information. I'm trying to make us more aware of the information that's going on. And when you see a young lady on social media talking about you ain't going to get your money back, you better run. You better run. Thank y'all for checking out Roller Clip TV. Let me know what y'all thought about this episode. Listen, most of us, see, I ain't into fast money because fast money is never good money. I ain't into fast money, so I know I'm not ever gonna get scammed by somebody like this. But like I said, I have been scammed in my day. I have been scammed in my lifetime, and that is why I have a heightened sense of my scam alert. My scam alert, my bell goes off high really quickly when I see stuff like this. When I'm engaging with somebody, back in the day when I had my own business, and somebody came to me, yo, Rob, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do this and I promise you this and I'm gonna do this for you, and you gonna, man, anytime they talk too fast and they were promising me too much too fast, I knew they weren't gonna be able to pull it off. And if I put my money into it, I wasn't going to see that money back for a very long time. Thank y'all for checking out Roller Clip TV. Y'all be careful with that money because that money is hard to come by these days in America. Thank y'all for checking me out. I'll be back with another one. I'm your host, Roberto. See you soon, people. Thank you, family. Let's go.